You're welcome back to this channel. So in today's class, we want to solve these simultaneous equations involving three unknowns. And we want to use the determinant method, which we know as Cramer's rule, to solve it. Now, so these are the equations. So the first thing that we need to do is to write them in what? In a matrix form. So we need to write these equations in matrix form. So this will be, so we want to write their coefficients now. 2 minus 1, 3, 1, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 5. Then the unknowns x, y, z. Then equal to 2, 11, 3. So now, let's now say that let A be equal to 2 minus 1, 3, 1, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 2 and 5. So let x, capital X be the unknowns, x, small y, small z. And let B be the constant, that is the answer. Now, the next thing that we need to do now is to find determinant of A. So determinant of A will be 2 minus 1, 3, 3, 1, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 5. Now, what is the next thing to do here is that you put sign on them, plus, minus, plus. So now determinant of A will now be, you take plus 2, take it then, determinant of this one, cover it like this, cover where that 2 belong vertically, cover where it belongs horizontally. So after covering, you see that you are left with 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 minus 2 and 5. So now take this minus 1, and it has minus already, so it will be minus 1 multiplied by minus, that is plus 1. Then determinant of, you cover where it belongs horizontally. This is where it belongs horizontally. Cover where it belongs vertically, like this. So you cover like this, like this. So you are left with what? 1 minus 1, 2 and 5. After doing that, you are taking 3. So plus 3. So the determinant. Cover where it belongs horizontally. So like this. Cover where it belongs horizontally. Cover where it belongs vertically. So you are left with 1, 3, 2 minus 2. Now, the next thing to do now is to find determinant of these 2 by 2 matrices. So 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15, minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 is plus 2. So now minus 2. So plus 1 multiplied by 5, 5, minus 2 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 2. So minus multiplied by this minus gives plus 2. So plus 3. 1 multiplied by minus 2 gives minus 2. Then 2 multiplied by 3 gives 6. So minus 6. So now determinant of A will now be equal to 2 multiplied by, this is 15 minus 2. That is 13 plus 1. Then 5 plus 2. That is 7. Plus 3 minus 2 minus 6. That is minus 8. So determinant of A will now be equal to 2 multiplied by 13 is 26. Then 1 multiplied by 7 is 7, so plus 7. Then plus 3 multiplied by minus 8 is minus 24. Minus 24 multiplied by plus gives minus 24. Minus 24. So now from here, 26 minus 24 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. So determinant of A is equal to 9. Next thing to find now is to find determinant of A subscript X. And how do we find that? This is the determinant. Now you go to matrix A. You are going to change its first column. This first column, that is 2, 1, 2. This is the first column of matrix A. You are changing them with the constant. The answer of this, okay, let me use this one with B, with the element of matrix B. That is the answer of the simultaneous equation. That is 2, 11, and what? 3. So you are changing the first column of matrix A now. So others remain. Minus 2, 3, minus 1, 5. So now determinant of A subscript X now be put plus, minus, plus. So this is 2. The determinant, cover it vertically, cover it horizontally. So cover like this, cover like this. So we are left with 3, minus 1, minus 2, 5. Then minus 1, you write your minus 1, but remember there's minus on top of it. So it will be minus times minus 1 gives plus 1. So you cover it horizontally, you cover it vertically. So you are left with what? 11, minus 1, 3, 5. Then plus 3. You cover it horizontally, you cover it vertically. So you are left with what? 11, 3, 3, minus 2. So now, A, determinant of A subscript X will be 2. 3 multiplied by 5 is what? 15. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 is what? Plus 2. So that is minus 2 plus 1. So from here, I have 11 multiplied by 5, that is 55. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 3. So multiplied by minus gives plus. So then plus 3. 11 multiplied by minus 2 gives minus 22. So minus 22. Then minus 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So A, determinant of A subscript X now be 2 multiplied by 13 plus 1 multiplied by 58 plus 3 multiplied by minus 31 is equal to, this is 26. 26 plus 58, then minus 93. The answer is minus 9. So determinant of A subscript X is equal to minus 9. Now let's go to determinant of A subscript Y. So determinant of A subscript Y will be, so it is the second column that we are going to change. So it will be 2, 11, 3. So it will be put plus, minus, plus. So we have 2. So cover it vertically, cover it horizontally. So you have what? 11 minus 1, 3, 5. Then this minus 2, you write minus 2. Cover it horizontally, cover it vertically. So you are left with 1 minus 1, 2, 5. So then plus 3. Cover it horizontally, cover it vertically. So it will be 1, 11, 2, 3. So determinant of A subscript Y will now be what? So find the determinant of those 2 by 2 matrices. So 11 multiplied by 5, that's 55, minus 3 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 3, multiplied by this minus gives plus. So minus 2 to be 1 multiplied by 5, that is 5, minus 2 multiplied by minus 1, minus 2. So multiply by minus plus 2. So then I have plus 3. 1 multiplied by 3, 3, minus 2 multiplied by 11, 22. So here I have determinant of A subscript y is equal to 2 multiplied by 58, then minus 2 multiplied by 7 plus 3 multiplied by minus 19. So then I have 2 multiplied by 58 is equal to 116 minus 14, then is equal to 102, then minus 57. Minus 57, that is 3 multiplied by minus 19 gives me minus 57. So the answer is 45. That means determinant of A subscript y is equal to 45. So let me write them here so that I will not forget. I will need them later. Determinant of A is equal to 9. Determinant of A subscript x is equal to minus 9. Determinant of A subscript y is equal to 45. So we need to find determinant of A subscript z now. So determinant of A subscript z will be, you write the first column of matrix A, 2, 1, 2. You write the second column of matrix A, which will be minus 1, 3, minus 2. Now, it is this third column that we are going to change now. So you change them with 2, 11, and 3. So the determinant of A subscript Z will now be equal to put plus, minus, plus. So it will be 2, then cover, cover. So it will be 3, 11, minus 2, 3. Then you put minus 1 here, but multiply it by minus plus 1. So this will be, cover it vertically, cover it horizontally, cover it vertically. So you have 1, 11, 2, 3. Then plus 2. Cover it vertically, cover it horizontally. So cover it vertically, cover it horizontally. So I have 1, 3, 2, and minus 2. So determinant of A subscript Z is equal to 2. So I have 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. Then minus 2 multiplied by 11, that's minus 22. Then multiply by minus plus 22. So plus 1. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. Minus 2 multiplied by 11 is 22. Then plus 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 2, minus 2. Minus 2 multiplied by 3, 6. So minus 6. So I have determinant of A subscript Z is equal to 2 multiplied by 9 plus 22. That is 31. So 31. So plus 1. 3 minus 22 is what? Minus 19. So I have plus 2. Minus 2 minus 6. That is minus 8. So from here, determinant of A subscript Z is equal to 2 multiplied by 61. 2 multiplied by 31 is 62. Plus 1 multiplied by 19 is what? Minus 19. Plus 2 multiplied by minus 8 is minus 60. So from here, I have 62 minus 19 minus 16 is equal to 27. So this is 27. So I write here, determinant of A subscript Z is equal to 27. So to find x, it will be determinant of A subscript x divided by determinant of A, which is equal to minus 9 divided by 9, and it's equal to minus 1. Y is equal to determinant of A subscript y divided by determinant of A. It will be what? 45 divided by 9, and that is what? 5. So z will be determinant of a subscript z divided by determinant of a will be 27 divided by 9, and that is 3. So we can now say that the solution to these equations will be x is equal to -1, y is equal to 5, and z is equal to 3. So if we want to write it like this, we call that this capital X is my small x, small y, small z. So still the same thing as -1, 5, and 3. So please, that's how to use determinant method to solve simultaneous equations involving three unknowns. So till I see you in the next class. Bye bye.